In this video, I will show you how to take your social media posts and graphic designs to the next level by adding professional animations to your images using Adobe Express. It is a very simple process that can make your content stand out and grab the attention of your audience immediately. To get started, you first need to have your project open with at least one image placed on your canvas. The first step in the process is to select the photo you want to animate. Simply click on the image once. When you do this, a Properties panel will automatically open on the left side of your screen. This panel contains all the tools you need to customize your visual elements. Look through the options until you find the button labeled Animation. Once you click on that, you will see a variety of animation types categorized into three main sections. You can choose an animation, which determines how the photo enters the frame, a looping animation to keep the image moving constantly, or an out animation to control how it disappears. You can browse through effects like fade, pop, drift, or tumble to see a live preview on your canvas. After you find a style you like, you can adjust the speed, duration, and personality of the motion to match the mood of your project.